Hope you enjoy the fire view and the birds overhead. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe to Bob's Bites of Life. Thank you. While I was out here taking pictures, I don't know whether you can see it or not, but there's massive amounts. See the birds? Oh, I just saw them. Look at this. Wow. I guess it's because I was quiet. Yeah, they're just overhead of me. They're probably checking me out because of the... Oh, look at that. Oh, wow. I'm not going to fall over. Oh my gosh. They're right overhead. And somebody's shooting at them. Don't call me crazy, but it's 37 degrees out here. And I started a fire. So I feel pretty good. And you can see all the leaves on the trees are gone. There's some gumballs up there, way up there. Out by the fire, it feels pretty good. It's supposed to get into like 18 tonight, but I'm out by the fire. It's about 3:30. Feeling good, feeling warm. I don't know whether you can hear that wind, but it has really picked up. We're not going to add anything now. I'll let her die down. Monday morning, actually it's about noontime, after the fire from the night before. Presently it's 34 degrees outside and quiet. Yeah, no wind or anything, but it's going to be a low temperature again this evening. Well, it was a good fire. Thoroughly enjoyed before the cold came.